This M4A3 Sherman is part of a bigger mission prep scene. I really like how it came with a bunch of other accessories like ammo cans, oil cans, and bags to give the model a little more depth. Let's go ahead and build it. Hey everyone, welcome to Rainy Works 360. Today we're diving into the build of Tamiya's 135 M4A3 Sherman. The Tamiya kit is clean, detailed, and comes together quickly, perfect for a story-based diorama like mine. However, there are a few gaps. I start off with the drive sprocket and idler wheels. What's really nice about this kit is it gives you the choice between the late version and the early type version. I went with the early type since my diorama is going to be based around Normandy. With the suspension assembly, I went ahead and did a dry fit and then came back and glued everything together properly. To start the upper hull, I assemble both the spare track and trail rack and then mount those on. Next, I move on to the lights. On the back right-hand side of the tank, I place the Pioneer tools. Just make sure you line them correctly and you put them in the right spots. Now I'm working on the front. This includes the bow machine gun and all the other little things. Later on, I'll go ahead and attach the hatches. For the turret, I start by assembling the 75mm gun and barrel assembly. The turret will go together in a few pretty simple steps: the top, bottom, and ring mount. Now I'll attach all the items on the top of the turret. The cupola comes in the early stage and late stage depending on which Sherman you're looking at building. Now for the hatches, I plan on having my figures sticking out of them, so I'm going to keep them open. And here it is, pretty much all assembled. I went ahead and added the accessories to include some pieces from the Allied Vehicle accessory set from Tamiya. Everything's ready for primer and paint, and I'll add the tracks later. Next time we'll prime and paint the Sherman to reflect its role in the mission. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment in maybe how you would load out your Sherman.